So guys, if you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10, we all know that it has a good decent camera, right? A lot of person will purchase this phone for the camera alone. If you're having problem with your camera, you can do a force restart. That's volume down and the power button. The phone will restart. You hold the buttons until you see the Samsung logo. So let me just give you guys a quick demonstration. You hold the two buttons together. It's always good to clear your phone memory because there are persons who always have their phone on. So as you can see here, the phone is now restarting. We clear the phone memory, and if it's a minor problem, they should fix it. If you have third-party apps on your phone relating to your camera, I know some of you like to have the emoji type of thing. One of those apps can create problem with your camera. So guys, what we are going to do here is to clear. You want to go to apps. You want to look for the camera. Then you want to go to storage. You want to clear the data. This will reset the camera app to factory settings. Actually see that the camera is working here. So everything is looking legit, everything is working. If you're still having camera problems, guys, I suggest that you back up your phone. Go to settings, go to about phone, go to reset, and click on factory reset, and do a factory reset. That should fix it. If it did not fix it, it got to be that you have a hardware issue with your camera, whether your front or your back camera. If this video was helpful, you can let me know in the comment section. My name is Lens. Do like, share, and subscribe.